Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are staying safe. Today I am going to discuss one of our comprehension lessons with you all. That is from your Nelson comprehension book, Unit 8, The Sand Castle, page number 34 and 35. Let's read the story. Before I start reading, tell me, do you know what's a sand castle? Yes, it's a small structure made with sand. Especially when the kids are playing on the beach, they like to make these sand castles. Let's read the story now. I hope you all will read with me. The Sand Castle. Jack liked building sand castles, but he couldn't keep the sea away. You can see a picture of a small boy here. He is called Jack. And the story is telling us he liked building sand castles, but he couldn't keep the sea away. "Stay back, sea," he said. "This is my castle. I am king here." What did he say? Stay back, sea. Why did he say so? What do you think? Yes, he wanted to protect his castle from the sea. But it didn't work. Did the sea stay back, children? No. He found a pretty shell and put it on his sand castle, then made a wish. What did he find? He found a pretty shell. When we go to the beach, we can see there are a lot of seashells. So in this story also, Jack found a pretty shell. He wanted to be king of a real castle. What did he want? He wanted to be king of a real castle. Jack woke in the night. He looked out of his window and found his wish had come true. When he woke in the night, he found his wish had come true. What did he wish? He wished to be king of a real castle. He went to see the castle and was met by a girl. Who did Jack meet? He met a girl. He went into the castle and the people made him king. The people danced and danced but didn't hear the water at the door. Now Jack went into the castle and the people made him king. The people celebrated this happy moment with their king, so they danced but didn't hear the water at the door. Suddenly the water burst in. The people began to change. Oh, what happened? Suddenly the water came into the castle and the people began to change. This is the story, children. Let's revise it from the beginning. There was a boy called Jack. He liked building sand castles. One day he built a sand castle. But he couldn't keep the sea away from his castle. So he found a pretty shell and made a wish. He wished to be king of a real castle. When he woke in the night, he found his wish had come true. Then he went into the castle and the people made him king. And the people celebrated this moment. They danced and danced but didn't hear the water at the door. Suddenly the water came into the castle and the people began to change. Now let's see what are the questions. Here are the questions, children. Question number 1. What does Jack like building? Yes, what is the answer? Jack likes building sand castles. Jack likes building sand castles. Question number 2. What does Jack want to be? What does Jack want to be? Jack wants to be king of a real castle. Jack wants to be king of a real castle. Question number 3. Who did Jack meet outside the castle? Who did Jack meet outside the castle? Yes, what is the answer? Jack met a girl. Jack met a girl. Question number 4. What came in through the castle doors? What came in through the castle doors? What is the answer? The water. The water. Question number 5. Find 2 compound words using these words. Compound words. What are compound words, children? When 2 words are put together to make a bigger word, it is called a compound word. Now, in this story, the word sand castle is a compound word. The word sand and the word castle are joined to make the word sand castle. Now tell me, what are compound words? When 2 or more words are joined to make a new word, it is called a compound word. Shall we read it one time? When 2 or more words are joined to make a new word, it is called a compound word. Shall we see some examples? Here are the examples, children. The word sun and the word flower. When they are together, it's the compound word sunflower. Next one, the word cup and the word cake. When they are together, it's cupcake. Let's see some more examples. The word rain and the word bow. It's rainbow. The word rain and the word bow. The compound word is rainbow. Next one, the word snow and the word man. When they are together, it's the compound word snowman. You all have been given 4 words, children. Now you need to make compound words using the same 4 words. Here's the first word, foot. The word foot. Now I'm going to pick another word from the list to make a compound word. That is the word ball. The word foot and the word ball. So what is the compound word? Football. Next I'm going to pick the word bed and the word room. When they are together, what is the compound word? Bedroom. The compound word is bedroom. Shall we try another one? Yes. Now I'm going to pick the word ball. The word ball. And the word room. What is the compound word? Ballroom. Ballroom. I hope you all will make some more compound words. Let's go to the question number 6. Some strange things happen in this story. Which things wouldn't happen to you in real life? Strange things. Strange things mean, children, unusual things. Which things wouldn't happen to you in real life. Question number 7. What do you think happens next to Jack? How do you think the story finishes? The story didn't finish. So, what do you think? How do you think the story finishes? And what will happen to Jack? Now I'm going to finish this lesson. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. Okay children, let's meet soon. Bye bye. Take care.